one of the biggest questions we get here is how can I upgrade my current drawer setup with better slides? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between the drawer slides and what options you have. Hey everybody, welcome back to Express.com. My name is Jason, and today we're going to be talking all about drawer slides. Now, for the most part, we're going to talk about the three main categories of drawer slides. Actually, it's two categories, but three different slide types. Your epoxy drawer slides. These are your most simple, plain, generic slide, as you see here. They're sometimes called roller slide, they're called Euro slide, but mostly known as epoxy slide due to the fact that they're white and they're usually epoxy dipped, so they're just white epoxy slides. Now, if you have these slides and you're looking to upgrade, you have two options. One, you can add a soft close feature such as this to that slide. It's very minimal, doesn't cost maybe like $5, $7 depending on which one you order. And we have those available. I have a link down below if you're interested. They're really easy. I actually have a link down below for a video that I did showing you how to install them. Really easy, very economical, and it'll give you that soft close feature that you're looking for. Now, another upgrade for the epoxy drawer slides is the ball bearing drawer slide. The close it your darn self option with the ball bearing slide, or like this, you could have it with the upgraded soft close mechanism in the back. So therefore you get full extension when you pull it out, which is going to be a little better than your epoxy, and you'll get the soft close feature that you are possibly looking for in that upgrade. A lot of the times these slides are a really nice upgrade because they take more weight. You can put more things in your drawer depending on how your drawer is built, but you can also just get a lot less wiggly woggly, like, you know, those rollers get kind of loud, get kind of squeaky depending on the ball bearing might be a little bit quieter. And it's, you know, just a nice rigid slide, and it's a direct replacement, which is the big thing. Now, these are the only direct replacement available for the epoxy slides due to the requirements of how, you know, much room these need. These need a 1/2 inch clearance on each side of your drawer, and the epoxy slides have that exact same clearance. So therefore you can unscrew and then screw these on and you're ready to go. Now, if you have ball bearing soft close already and you want something even smoother, even nicer, you really don't have a direct replacement for those. Unfortunately, you have to actually get a whole new drawer box, and then you can move to the undermount soft close, which is a completely different design. The weight capacity on these, just the smoothness, the soft close, everything works so much better on an undermount drawer slide. So this is a much more expensive commitment because the drawer boxes have to be designed for these slides. And now, as you can see here, I have a little sample. The way these work is, see, the drawer is basically completely wrapping the slide for the most part, and these work off of a whole different feature. So nothing's connected to your drawer box itself except for the front locking devices, if I can get these off with one hand. So this is what actually connects to your drawer slide or the undermount slide. These mount to the bottom of the drawer. Now, for undermount slides, you will have to have the proper drawer box that's designed for the undermount slides, which includes having a hole in the back drilled, and you're going to have a 1/2 inch clearance underneath your drawer, along with a different clearance on the left and right of your drawer than if you have a ball bearing or epoxy slide. So as always, if you have any questions, let me know down below. I'm more than happy to help. We'll see you next video.